In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Basecamp subscription. Whether you're looking to harness more features or simply expand your current plan, upgrading Basecamp can be pivotal for your project management needs. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to access our Basecamp account. To do this, navigate to the Basecamp sign-in page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once you've filled in these details, click on the Login button to access your dashboard. This step is crucial as it gets you into the system where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the dashboard. You'll notice a button or link that says Buy Basecamp Today. Despite its somewhat low-key placement, this is exactly what you need for upgrading. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to the Subscription Plans page. Here, various Basecamp packages will be displayed, each offering different features and capabilities. Take your time to assess each package by clicking on Choose this package for the one that best suits your requirements. It's important to consider what you need from Basecamp at this stage. Whether it's more storage, additional projects, or more users, pick the package that aligns with your goals. After selecting a package, you'll find yourself on a confirmation page. This is where you review your choice and move forward with the purchase. Look for the Buy Basecamp button. It's your green light to securing that upgrade. Click on it to finalize your choice. Clicking on Buy Basecamp leads to the payment section. Here you'll input your payment details to complete the purchase. Ensure the information is accurate to avoid any hitches in upgrading your account. And there you have it. You've successfully upgraded your Basecamp subscription. This upgrade will instantly reflect in your account, providing you with the new features and capabilities of the selected package. Remember, upgrading your Basecamp subscription can significantly enhance your project management experience, offering you more tools and flexibility to manage your team and projects efficiently. Keep exploring the new features and making the most of your Basecamp experience. If ever in doubt or need further assistance, Basecamp's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you with any queries or issues you might encounter. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're optimizing for a growing team or expanding your project horizons, upgrading Basecamp is a step towards more streamlined and efficient project management. Here's to achieving great things with your newly upgraded Basecamp account.